Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and on this video today I will be reviewing for you Aimeili's Polygel. Now, as you're looking at the box here and how it came, there it is, Aimeili, and yes, I'm showing you the box because it is labeled as a builder gel. However, I am the one that I'm personally calling it or labeling it as a polygel because in looking here at the ingredients, see this right here, it says acrylic powder as one of the ingredients, and it is my understanding that if there's a particular gel product, builder product that contains acrylic, it could be defined as a polygel, acrygel. Nonetheless, so that is how, let me show you. So this is the box how I came in, and yes, it is a clear, so you know from the label here, and also there here it says it's a clear builder. So it comes in a tube. Here it is. So this is a 30 ml or 1 ounce tube right there. And there again you can see where it's labeled as a clear builder gel. So I treated it and used it as a polygel. Now I'll go ahead and let you look at the ingredients right there. And so as you can see, I thought I'll do the review and show you my Easter nails live because I sculpted these using this clear polygel. As you guys know, I have been wanting to play with having some, or making myself some clear jelly nails that were somewhat just temporary. So yeah, when I apply these, I'm going to show you how I went about the application so you can see how this worked. And I did not do the preparation on my nails as you normally would for a very long-term permanent application. Okay, so I did not, if you remember from previous videos, my nails have a natural shine that I created using Beauty Big Bang's nano glass file. No product. I did not buff the shine, and I know I did not use any latex or cuticle cream or anything like that. And having played around with other tips like the full tips and trying to extend my nails in clear and play with them using some clear polishes for the jelly look, they popped out too easy. So I know this will pop out without me having to soak or file them off. So I took the opportunity to use them for my Easter nails. And yeah, this bunny right here was inspired by Denise Jones 65. If you guys haven't seen her tutorial, go check it out. So going back to Aimeili's Polygel. Yes, so it says it's a clear, but you will see, I'm going to show you how it compares to a totally clear full nail tip. It's not, I wouldn't call it a 100% clear. So here they are live. I know I have color on, but I will show you some pictures and you will see on the video how after I finished. So they do have somewhat of an opacity to them. I mean, if you overlay with these, or if you encapsulate, it will appear clear. You won't lose any of the look of the product. But if you want a full clear, now I was pretty satisfied with how they went and the clarity that they gave me for the jelly look. I'm not showing you my right hand nails because I would have had to work with my left hand to do the sculpting on my right hand nail. What I ended up doing, if you notice, see the shape how it's different? That's because my left hand are sculpted. My right hand I put full cover clear tips. So the look was very different. These are very, very clear. I mean, you can barely tell now because I have elements on top of them, but maybe on my index you can see a little bit of a difference here. These tips are clear because these are tips. These are sculpted with Aimeili's Clear Polygel. So as far as to tell you a little bit about the product, I really liked working with it. It was very easy to squeeze out of here. Let me show you without much effort. Let's see how much I can get it to come out there. There it is. So I didn't have to, I mean, yeah, it didn't take a whole lot of effort to squeeze the tube. So that was nice. But it does, I mean, I would say it's it seems like compared to others, so it might be a soft polygel, but when I was working with it, it did not move. It doesn't move. Okay, when I had it in my spatula working with it, it was fine. It didn't go anywhere. I could place it on my nail and it didn't move unless I was actually patting it on. So that is all I have about the polygel clearness. As far as clearness, I will say probably a 97% clearness when it comes to the clarity, but it's still a really good polygel. Yeah, I know they call it a builder gel and nail extension, but I'm classifying it as a polygel. That's how you can treat it. And here's their website right there. I will have the link down in the description bar below. So I will go ahead and leave you guys with the rest of the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Now, rather than a slip solution, guys, I went ahead and used isopropyl alcohol, and it worked excellent with this product. I did not see any graininess or anything like that. I was very happy to see that, so I will not blame the fogginess to me having used too much isopropyl alcohol, because I have seen the results of that before, where the product, the polygel itself, looks kind of grainy. It was not the case with this at all, and I was happy with that. And yes, you can see that while it was still wet prior to curing, it was 100% fully clear. Here it is out of the lamp, guys, before I did any buffing or shaping. There you can see how it was a little cloudy straight out of the lamp. And here is after I did all 4 of my nails. And this is after it has been buffed and shaped. And so, yeah, so this cloudiness is going to be due to the filing and buffing, which is normal. And you will see I'm just applying here the top coat. And I went ahead and applied it underneath too. So this is after the top coat was cured, and there you can see, and I will show you in a second, you'll see them under a black background. So there is a bit of a cloudiness even after this is a complete product application and cured. And here I am comparing so you can see how it compares to a fully clear, a full tip that is completely clear. So you can see the difference in clarity. So that is all I have for you guys on this review. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Aimeili for sending me this great product to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.